I hope all the students that came. Very good morning to one and all. Today's chapter Binomial Theorem. Good morning, I'm Shabat. Good morning, Susan. Good morning, Tejashvi. Good morning, Tej. Aniket. Binomial Theorem. The basic important thing in Binomial Theorem is A plus B whole power n formula. What is A plus B whole power n formula? NC0 A power n plus NC1 A power n minus 1 B power 1 plus NC2 A power n minus 2 B power 2 plus and so on plus NCR A power n minus R B power R plus and so on plus NCN B power n. This is the basic formula of binomial theorem. Whatever problem you are doing in regular or KCET or JEE mains or whatever competitive exam, in binomial theorem, if you want to solve any problem, this is the formula we need to follow. This is the very, very important formula we need to remember. This is the basic formula of binomial theorem. From this formula only, we are finding all the answers. Binomial means two terms. Bi means two, no? So two terms are there. A and B are two terms. A plus B whole power n. If you observe this particular formula, my dear students, NC0 in combinations, we know how to find NC0, NC1, NC2 like that. And power of A is decreasing. First A power n, next A power n minus 1, A power n minus 2, A power n minus R, and last A power 0. No A, that means A power 0. Power of B increasing. First to B power 0, B power 1, B square, B cube, and so on, B power n. How to remember binomial theorem means coefficients are NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3, and so on, and Cn. Power of first term decreasing. A power n minus 1, A power n minus 2, A power n minus, and so on. A power 0. Power of second term increasing. B power 0, B power 1, B power 2, B power 3, and so on, B power n. This is the formula of binomial theorem. First write this one, everyone. Write fast. Binomial theorem formula. Binomial theorem. Complete, everyone. Can I start the next thing? Good. See, dear students, T1.
Okay, last class, sir.
Sir, good morning.
Morning, sir.
So that is problem number 4 because of diagrams. Now we start with this problem number 4.
In the formula, T1 means first term, NC0 A power N. T2 means second term, NC1 A power N minus 1 B power 1. T3 means third term, NC2 A power N minus 2 B power 2. T4 means NC3 A power N minus 3 B power 3. So what here we need to understand one term, TR plus one term, NCR A power N minus R B power. ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3 ಇದ್ದಾಗ NC2 ಬಂದಿದೆ, 4 ಇದ್ದಾಗ NC3 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ R+1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ NCR ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this is called a general term. Okay, general term. Read this one. General term. Wait, all this everyone. Suppose they're asking to find T10 and colon. How to write NCN A power N minus 9 B power 9. 10 means we can write NC9. 11 means NC10. 15 means NC14. Like that we can write. Understand? Good. Completed. Can I move to the next one? If you're not saying yes or no, can I understand? Yes, everyone completed now. Yes, good. Now, in A plus B whole power n, my dear students, we have n plus 1 terms. How you can say, sir? A plus B whole power n, one value A plus B. A plus B whole square value, A square plus 2AB plus B square. A plus B whole cube value, A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. Equal value of n 1 now. How many terms are the number of terms? Number of terms 2. Correct? Here n is equal to 2. Number of terms are 3. Here n is equal to 3. Number of terms are 4. So power 3 iddaga number of terms 4. Power 2 iddaga number of terms 3. Power 1 iddaga number of terms 2. Power n iddaga number of terms n plus 1. Understand? Right. Read fast. Completed means you can say yes, I can continue the next one. Okay. That's completed now. Good. Next one. Question number, not question number. Some still basics are what we need to discuss in this chapter. So I said general term. Suppose T13 term we want. How to write T13? You can write T12 plus 1. NC12, A power n minus 12, B power 12. We want 20th term. How to write? T19 plus 1. NC19, A power n minus 19, B power 19. Understand? To find any of the term in the middle, it is possible. To find any of the term in the middle, it is possible. Any of the term. Mansha, I think your video switch on. Please switch off. Or I thought profile pic, but now movements came, no? That fan. Then I understood. Can I move to next one? Vishnu, can you send the questions in the group once? Binomial
Yes, sir.
theorem.
Yes, sir. Full assignment 3, sir. Assignment 1, 2, 3, full.
No. Only assignment 1 and 2 you can say. 2 also not required, but if it is important questions only, I'll explain. All questions
Okay,
not
sir.
required. It is
Okay,
JE
sir.
level actually given. Now, my dear students, one simple example. A plus b whole power 5 is there. How to expand this? 5c0 a power 5 plus 5c1 a power 4 b power 1 plus 5c2 a power 3 b square plus 5c3 a square b cube plus 5c4 a power 1 b power 4 plus 5c5 b power 5. Correct? The power of first term is decreasing, power of second term increasing. 5c0 means 1 a power 5 plus 5c1 means 5 a power 4 b plus 5c2. How to find 5c2? 5 into 4 by 2 into 1, 10 a cube b square plus 5c3 same as 5c2, 10 a square b cube. 5c4 means 5 a b power 4. 5c5 means 1 b power 5. This is the way we need to expand any binomial expansion. Write one question like this. Write this one fast. Write fast. Complete. Good. Suppose, dear students, a minus b whole power n is there. How to write this formula? Minus is there. NC0 a power n minus NC, one question only. A power n minus 1 b power 1 plus NC2 a power n minus 2 b power 2 minus NC3 a power n minus 3 b power 3 plus NC4 a power n minus 4 b power 4 minus NC5 a power n minus 5 b power 5 plus and so on. That means alternate you will get plus and minus if a minus b whole power n formula. Do it fast. Completed. Yes. Completed, no? Yes. A plus b whole power n formula. So still, what are the things we need to remember in a plus b whole power n formula? Middle term. Next concept. No, general term first we'll discuss. General term I already discussed, but suppose in a plus b whole power 20, find 12th term. How to find 12th term? Can you expand a plus b whole power 20? If you expand, you will get 21 terms. Very big answer. Within 1 minute, we cannot solve this. We want T12, 12th term. So T12 I can write as T11 plus 1, my dear students. I given one formula, TR plus 1 is equal to NCR A power n minus R B power R, correct? So in place of n 20 is in place of 11, 20 C 11 A power 20 minus 11 B power 11. That's it. That means 20 C 11 A power 9 B power 11. That is that directly 12th term. So by using general term, you can identify, you can write the any term in the middle of the expansion. Okay, right. Complete. Yes, good. Now we can discuss middle term. Middle term. How to start the middle term? From this, we will get only one question. That's it. Okay, one or two. One compulsory. Second one is optional. They may. So here we have very important concept, middle terms. So I can ask you one question. What is a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square? This is middle term. Power even number, 2 is even number, no? So we have only one term. Suppose you see this formula, a plus b whole cube formula. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. How many middle terms are there in this? Two middle terms are there. For odd numbers, we have two middle terms. Okay. For that, we have formula. What is the formula? In a plus b whole power n, comma, n is even, middle term, mt means middle term is equal to n by 2 plus 1th term. Next point. In a plus b whole power n, comma, n is odd, then middle terms, one is n plus 1 by 2th term, another is n plus 3 by 2th term. Two middle terms are possible, right? To find the middle term formula, if n is even, n by 2 plus 1. If n is odd, n plus 1 by 2, n plus 3 by 2. See the second example, power 3 is there. 3 plus 1, 4 by 2, second term. 3 plus 3, 6 by 2, third term. Correct? This second term, this third term only, no? Like, if n is even, we have only one middle term. If n is odd, we have two middle terms. Understand? Right. Complete, everyone. Can I move to the next question? Still people are coming. No, it crosses 70 and 80. Very good. Next one. Now you see, dear students, so how to solve. X plus 1 by x whole part 10 is there. Find middle term is what is the answer? Find middle term is how to solve this. See, dear students, x plus 1 by x means whole part 10 n is 10. It is even or odd? Even. 10 by 2 plus 1th term. 10 by 2 means 5. T5 plus 1 term we need to find. NC5 a power n minus 5 b power 5. Actual formula, correct? In place of n, 10 is the 10C5 x power 10 minus 5 5 1 by x whole power 5. 10C5 x power 5 into 1 by x power 5. Both cancel. What's the answer? 10C5. That's it. Understand how to find the middle term? Do it fast. Completed, everyone. Can I move to the next one? Yes. Now, very important, 100% in exam they can ask, that is independent term. Independent term. Can I read this, everyone? Can I read this one? So let's start the next concept, independent term. Independent. Independent. How to find independent term? What is meant by independent term? X square plus 3x plus 5. 2x cube plus 7x. I wrote 4 terms generally. What is the independent term in this means? This is called independent term. These are called independent terms. What is meant by independent term means there is no x in that particular term. Without x, whatever term we can write, that is called independent term. Okay, write this one first. No x in the term is called independent term. Complete everyone. There is no term of x present in given expansion that is called independent term. Okay. Now, x plus 1 by x whole power 20. Find independent term. X plus 1 by x whole power 20 is given. Find the independent term. If you expand means you will get 21 terms. Then you can say which term is, but 21 terms writing is very difficult. So for this, how to solve? How to solve directly? TR plus 1 formula. NCR A power n minus R B power R. N means 20, C R we don't know. A means x power 20 minus R. B means 1 by x whole power R. 20 CR x power 20 minus R minus R. Why I wrote minus R means denominator x is there. If you transfer numerator, power will get negative, yes or no? 1 by x whole power R, x transfer numerator means it become x power minus R, no? Understand what I'm speaking with you? So now, independent term is x power 20 minus 2R equal x power 0. I already showed in the examples before. In the independent term, what is the x? No x. No x means x power 0. 20 minus 2R is 0. 2R is 20. R is 10. We got R value. If you want to say which term is independent, means TR plus 1. T10 plus 1. T11th term. T11th term. Very good, Rakesh. You said the correct answer. You cannot say T10. R is 10 means 10th term is not independent term. 11th term. R plus 1 we need to say. Understand? Do it, do it, do it. 1 by x transfer numerator x power minus R. Okay. X power a power m into a power m minus n. 20 minus R minus R. 20 minus 2R is equal to independent term is power of x is 0. Power of x is 0. Do it fast. Twenties here I didn't cancel. We want independent term, no? That's why I equated only x power 20 minus 2R. Who cancelled 20 here? 20 here, why for us? They asked which term. We find R values. Okay. Do it, do it, do it. If you want independent term, you can do like this only. Understand? Always you can consider value of R. Present, you can remember these formulas. We'll start the problems. I cannot explain all. See, instead of NC1, NC2, they can use C1, C0, C1, C2. That means NC0 only. Okay. See first question. See first question, everyone. Do it fast. Copy first question. How to solve first question? I can say the quotient of x square and x cube in the expansion. Three plus kx whole power 9. Coefficient of x square and x cube equal means 9c2 3 power 9 minus 2 kx whole power 2 is equal to 9c3 3 power 9 minus 3 kx whole cube. Quotient of x square and x cube. What is the quotient here? 9c2 3 power 7 k square is equal to 9c3 3 power 6 k cube. These are the quotients. Equate. 9c2 is nothing but 9 into 8 by 2 into 1. 3 power 7 here and 3 power 6 one time. 3 is left. K square and k cube 3 times k is left. Into 3 is equal to 9c3 means 9 into 8 into 7 by 3 into 2 into 1 into k. 9 to 9 to cancel. 2 into 1 2 into 1 cancel. 3 cross multiply 9 by 7 is equal to k. K is equal to 9 by 7. Which option? Fourth option. Understand? They are asking coefficient of x square and x cube are equal. That means here t2 plus 1 is equal to t3 plus 1. That I did. t2 plus 1 formula 9c2 a plus l is 3 there. 3 power 9 minus 2. In place of b, kx is there. Excuse me. Kx whole power 2. Similarly, x cube quotient 9c3 3 power 9 minus 3 kx whole power 3. Understand? Do it. Do it, my dear students. Completed, everyone? First question completed. Hey, excuse me, you can say yes or no, completed or not. Are you in still sleepy mode? Everyone is wake up, or what is the story? Yes, good. Second question, don't do now. We'll discuss later. Third one, you do. Similar model question. First one, third one, similar model. Second one, afterwards, we'll discuss. The 21st and 22nd terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 41 are equal. Then the value of x. 1 plus x whole power 41. 22nd and 21st terms are equal. T21 is equal to T22. T21 means you can write T2, T plus 1 is equal to T21 plus 1. Correct? Huh? So to write this means 41C20 x power 20 is equal to 41C21 x power 21. These two cancel. X is equal to 1. Which option? First option. Correct? Huh? How I cancel, why I cancel, you understood? Huh? In NCR equal to NCN minus R, no, 41C20 is same as 41C21. Both get cancelled. X power 20, x power 21. Cancel. X is equal to 1. Okay. Understood, everyone? Dear students, I can stop the class by 7 o'clock actual today. Evening I will take 1 hour today. Okay. Today Saturday, I need to go a little early. No one is responding also today. Evening 2 hours, 1 hour enough. Tomorrow will take 2 hours and we'll stop by tomorrow. Okay. Not this time tomorrow. Tomorrow will keep different time. Okay. Everyone happy you can sleep today. After my class. Correct now? Evening timings 5:30 to 6:30 same. I send the material no once you go through because binomial theorem continuously if I explain 2 hours you will not get. It's a little dry topic, no, that's why. We'll give some gap, don't worry. Okay. What I explained until now you understood no clearly in binomial theorem. You can practice English exam still time is there, don't worry about that. Meanwhile, you can at least PCMB 1 month test you can finish. Okay. Who did not enroll, you can message me to my mobile and enroll. Maths says doubts also. We'll do one thing. Today evening we'll take, we'll see, 1 hour or 2 hours. Is it possible for you 5 to 7 today evening? 5 to 7, are you free? 5 to 7 free means we'll take 5 to 7. 1 hour we'll discuss this binomial theorem questions, 1.5 hour. And remaining half an hour matrices questions we'll discuss, old questions, matrices. That is better now. 5 to 7 we'll take, okay. Done. Evening 5 to 7 will fix. Okay. So material already we sent. If you try any questions, you can try in binomial theorem. The remaining questions we'll discuss in next class. That's it today's class.